before I start on Canva designing, I would like to first let you know about brands of Toastmaster, which fonts are available and are ready to use. And apart from them, you cannot use any other fonts, colors. There are 6 colors. I will show you. I'll just share my screen and I will show you which colors are allowed. This is a brand manual. You can find this brand manual on TI's website. You can go through it. There are logo, pathways, color palette, everything, whatever you want, you will get it. And any photos you want for the posters, you'll get it from here only. So how it should be warm, this tone, warm, clear, friendly. Then there are visual guidelines. So logo, this is the only logo you can use. You cannot change to other size, shape or anything like that. And you can download logos from here, toastmasters.org logo. There are different kinds of logo. You can see here. These are the yes logo. You can use these kind of logo. But if you can see here, this Teda Meda and different variations you cannot use. You cannot change this color to other color. Those are strictly no. Then the color palette, you have 3 primary colors. That is true maroon. And there is a hex number 772437. This is the hex number we will be using in Canva to get this color, true maroon color. So here loyal blue, cool gray and this happy yellow. These are the only 4 colors you can use. These are the primary colors. And black and white, these are 2 other colors you're allowed to use apart from these 4. And their hex codes are given here. I'll teach you how to use this hex code in the Canva. So there is a Toastmaster pathways, this logo. Then there are badges. You can download these badges. These are the fonts you are allowed to use. Gotham. And these fonts you can download on your computer. Gotham. Then you're allowed to use Myrid Pro. So these are other different variations of Myrid Pro. If you can see, these are allowed. Then these are the other variations of Gotham, like book, ultra, black, light, like this. And in Canva, Gotham is not available and Myrid Pro is also not available. So there you're allowed to use Montserrat. That is the font you're allowed to use in Canva. So these are the images and photographs you can download from this Toastmasters website, toastmasters.photoshelter.com. From this gallery, you can download photo and use in your poster. See these kind of images you will find there. There is a brand portal. This is the email signature you can download. For everything, they have made brand compliant. You cannot go away from this brand while using making posters, brochures, website, anything, banners, whatever you do. While making video also, they have given some guidelines, and you have to follow these guidelines while making videos also. Colors and this, they have their or apparel, this t-shirts and all. You can order them on the website. Then for making website, they have given some guidelines that you'll need to follow. You can read this brand manual. I'll forward it to you. Then these are the corporate club guidelines, Gavel club guidelines, then the district conference guidelines, policy. These are the lot many. We are concerned over only with the font and color. So we will be focusing only on font and color. Now I'll stop sharing this screen and I'll upload another screen. I'll start sharing screen with Canva. Now I'm sharing screen of Canva. You can see this is the first page of Canva, that is called home page. Here you can see home templates. These are all templates available. You can choose any template from here, like social media templates, personal template, business templates, marketing, education, trending. Today we are only learning about poster making from the Toastmasters point of view. Then here are the features other you can see. Then are these tutorials, blog. These are the free, there are free version of Canva, pro version, enterprise, education, non-profit. You can go through this. Now let's go to home page. Here you'll see all your design. If you click this, you get whatever you have designed till now. These are all design I made till now. So you can go and see these are my all designs. If I click on recent design, you'll find what are my recent designs. There are button called shared with you. These are the designs. Those are shared with me for editing. Other people made in their Canva homepage, their Canva website, and they had shared with me to edit. Now here it is a brand kit. This is called a brand kit where we can, for the free Canva, we can download here only one logo. But if you're your pro, that is paid one, you can download three more logos. These are the brand colors. You can upload three, for free Canva, they give 3 brand colors to upload. So here, if you do by default, this colors will appear when you start making posters. We'll add this color here. This is the hex code. So we'll put this hex code which we are using: maroon, royal blue, and yellow. So what I did, I just wrote down that codes with me. So I'll just copy and paste those hex codes. Here we will post. So this color will come. It will automatically save here. Such you can save only 3 colors. Here again I will save them. Wait. Okay, we can save here cool gray. So I'm just copy and paste. This is the third color we will be saving. Then we have happy yellow color. If you're seeing this here, if you try to load, it will show you try first 30 and 30 days trial, and after that you'll have to pay for it. So you cannot, and free, you cannot add any more colors. Now here you can see there are brand fonts, add heading style. If you click here, they allow you to choose font. So in Canva, only Montserrat is allowed. So if you'll search here, you can search here. This Montserrat. But there are other variation in Montserrat. So this is a thin one, then there is a classic one, then extra bold is there, semi bold is there. So we are storing as a headline. So we'll use extra bold, but it's still saying it's not allowed on free one. So if we'll go another one, let's try semi bold. Again, it's not giving. Let's try Montserrat Classic. Again, it's not giving. So I guess they won't allow us to save heading style here. We can choose while making posters. That's not a problem. So let's start making our poster first. Here is a button that is recommended for you. You can see here, these are the recommended social media, events, marketing, documents, you can see. If you want to design a poster for Instagram post, there are different sizes. Instagram having a different size, Facebook is having a different size, presentation, we have a different size. So according to our need, they have already created that size. We just have to click it on it and we just design. So let's design Instagram post. Here you can see now. This is the area they will give you to draw. This is a blank page we have selected, but if you want templates, there are a lot many templates available. If you click on here, you get these are templates. These are the free templates. They are given free, and those who are which are pro, they are paid templates. So we'll start with the blank page. Now, first thing, what we want to see, we have to see color, fonts, perfectly matched. On the poster, what we need, brand logo, logo of the Toastmaster, name of the club. So first let's select background here. If you click on this, you'll see here color, background color. Click on this background color and you select maroon, gray and yellow. Still we have one more color to choose, that is blue. So let me, those hex colors, you'll find that hexa numbers on the brand manual. Currently I'm having with me, so I'm just using it.
Could you please share in the hex codes for these three colors in the chat, Zoom chat? I'll try it on my end as well.
Yes, yes. Just give me a second. My maroon blue color code went somewhere.
Okay.
Just give me a second.
Shubda, do you have the hex code? Anyone, if
I'm having X code. I'll give you. Just give
okay,
me a
okay,
second.
okay,
I'm having.
all right,
Just by mistakenly I pressed something, so it
okay.
just went
No
somewhere.
worries, take your time.
Just give me. I will share in the chat box. See, these are the hex codes,
Yes, I got it. Thank you.
and I'll share the typo which is being used.
Okay.
These are the typo which are allowed for Toastmasters International. Okay. Anyway. Okay, we'll start with this. We'll use this maroon color. If you click on this color, you can see all this maroon background color is there. You can choose gray, or you can choose yellow, or you can choose blue, which will come very soon. Now there are, if you see here, it says templates, uploads. If you do uploads, there are a lot many images you'll see I have uploaded here on this Canva. So whenever I require, I can use this. I've already stored my logos here. So I just have to click, it will appear on here. But before appearing here, you'll have to upload it. How to upload this media? You just click on upload media. If you want to select from device, that is laptop, you can select from Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, and Dropbox. You'll have to give access to them. So I have stored in my computer. So here is all the, can you see this files I have stored?
Yes, I.
You can see files
No,
stored.
no,
What?
not the files. We can just simply see a blood Google Chrome.
Okay, you might not have been able to see, but I
Yes.
have just stored on my lap computer. From there I
Okay.
downloaded here. If you click on here, it will take you to your computer's folder, which image you want to store.
All
So I
right.
have stored on my computer, I have stored all the logos, all the photos which I required. That's how it comes. If I say open, it will come here. You can see this, it's uploading images. You can also upload videos, audios, everything. So I have transferred logo from here to this working area. You can, by holding here mouse or cursor, you can make big or small. By holding this and dragging, you can drag anywhere on the working area, wherever you want to keep. We'll keep it here. Next comes our club's name. You can see here text. Click on the text. It will give you three options: add heading, add subheading, and add title. Now we want name of a club, so it will be heading. So let's see, Goregaon speakers, Goregaon speakers community Toastmaster club. Now it's too big, right? You can reduce the size from here. You can see, if you click here, it will reduce in the size. We will make to fit in the size. If this is big, you can make it little smaller. They have given the guidelines what size should be TI logo. So you still further, I'll reduce so it will fit here. And for here, if you want, if you go in the element, they will show you all the elements, that lines available, design to cause, feature. There are a lot of designs they have given, but we cannot use any clip art, anything apart from shapes. So there are shapes here, there are frames here to use. I will show you in a while how to use those shapes, frames, grids. Apart from, there are other figure, human figure, leaves, zodiac symbol, other design is also there. But we are not allowed to use anything out of this. It is not permitted by Toastmasters International. So now if you, I'll click here on see all. I will select square. You can see the square by default, it has taken color, brand color, one of the brand color. You can make big, small, square, rectangle, whatever shape you want, you can move around. Now I will hold this and keep it here because I want to make this as a background to this writing heading. You can see here, but this is white and we can change the color of font. If you go here, text color, you hold it and you change it to any color you want, gray, or yes, here, this is the another blue color. What I was talking about, loyal blue. So you can change those colors. I want to make this as a background. So if I club, now it's all here. If I hold this and drag here, only square is rectangle is coming, and this is be left behind. I want to keep it here. But if I want to drag it all together, both should be together. Wherever I move, it should go together. So what I will do, I will hold my cursor here. I'll just take it down here. I'll hold my cursor. I'll select these both two. And here, you can see this group. You click on this group, this both together will be grouped. Now if I move, both are moving together. I don't have to worry. Now if I want to change this again, if I want to change something, I can ungroup it and it will be separated. Now it will move separately. Okay. Just give me a minute. Now you understood logo, you understood name. While doing logo, one thing you have to keep in mind, there should be a distance around this logo. 1 centimeter distance you should always keep. It should not merge like this here, or it shouldn't merge like this here. There should be distance of 1 centimeter around logo. Next, we will move to next element. These are the frames. You can see different styles of frames. Circle with design, squares, rectangles, any of the frame you can select. Let's see this. I have selected this frame and now I will add photo in this frame. How I'm going to add? In uploads, I have already uploaded many photos, how I showed. Now I will select this my photo. I will adjust to the size how much I wanted. Then by holding here, I will make it little small so it can fit into this frame. And I just hold it and drag it over that frame. And it will go there. Now if you can move anywhere. So this is how, when you want to remove, detach image and delete it. If you want to add another image, you can add another image. You reduce in the size, we'll choose another frame. We can choose any frame we want. Let's choose this one. So if you just hold and drag there on the frame, it will go inside and it can move. Next is, you understood the text. Then we'll have subheading. Let's write Toastmaster of the day, Akshay. So again, you can reduce. Now I haven't told about fonts. I'll tell you about the fonts. Here, if you select this and you can choose your font from here. Now it's Open Sans, but what we want is Montserrat Classic. So your font will change here also. You can choose say Montserrat semi bold, or you can choose bold version also. It's not showing here, but if it's allowed, you can choose bold also. Then we have, there are a lot many photos. They have provided inbuilt photos are there. You can use them as a background. For example, I will be using this photo as a background. This is the photo. If I move, I can move this, make it big like this here. I'm not making perfect right now here, this poster, but I just want to show you how it works. This is the photo, but Only selected brand compliant photo only you can use. I'm just giving you this example. When you choose this photo, there is a option here for transparency. You can move here. You can see, you can change the transparency of this photo. Whatever transparency you want, you can choose it. Here now, if I make it big, all covered. If I want to choose, I can choose the position. If I want this photo to go backward, I choose this backward. So this photo will go behind this logo and text. Photo, all will be up. If I choose this position to be forward, it will come in front. So all the text and everything will go behind this photo. You can change the transparency, whatever you want, according to the need. So here are lot many photos. There are backgrounds. You can see the textures like this. You can choose any texture, but for TI, it is not allowed. Then we have, they have flowers. Then they have business one, like this. They have black background. Nature. You can choose anyone. There are lot many computer, so many, anything you can choose. Free photos won't have watermark, but the paid one, they have watermark. If you want to use that paid one, and you'll need to remove that watermark. Then you can add audio to this. There are some audio given. There is one free one. Then you can add audio also here. If you're making it animation, there is a button here, animation. You can animate. This is a block one. It will show how this is coming. If you want fade one, it will come like this. Pan, tumble. There are a lot many animations you can use. Whatever you want, you can choose. Currently, I'm using no. Then you can add videos also here by choosing the option and clicking on the video. Then there are backgrounds. You can add backgrounds. There are different kind of backgrounds, but this TI doesn't approve of any of this background. Only gradient, blue color gradient is allowed. That is loyal blue to digital blue. So this is the gradient is allowed.
Vrinda, can
Yes.
we have a video uploaded rather than we choosing the videos from the given options?
There are video, you can choose it. You can make video by, I will show you that this is the poster currently. It will take more time to show the video. Maybe we can have more sessions for a Facebook page, how to design a Facebook page or how to make video. Because in one session, it is not going to cover. This is the basic session of the Canva I'm showing you. So if you want, then we can schedule more sessions for this. So this is the basic poster making by using text, elements, photos, templates, and logos. You can play with the colors, you can play with the text, you can play the design. For example, elements, you can go for the shapes. Only shapes are allowed, so you can use any shape for giving design. For example, I will show you. Let's choose, okay, this shape. You can keep it here and add like this, and you can write text here, like Zoom meeting ID, and you can place it here. You can change this to and send it. So like this, you can place the text. You can play with the shapes again, like this is one there you can use. You can change the color of shape. This is blue. Let's change it to green. You can play with the size, change the size or something like this. It's all about the creativity, how you can do it. Any questions if you have, you can ask me. Do you have any questions? You can.
No questions so far.
Anyone else? Ravi, do you have any questions?
No, I don't have any question. Uh, uh, that was fine, but can you just demonstrate one of uh, the slides or the web poster you made? So yeah, you shown the technicalities, but just demonstrate one of the posters. So that would
You
be,
want me to make proper poster, or you want me to show you what I made, poster, which posters I made?
you already made, so that will save them some time.
These are the designs and posters I have made for this best speaker and all. You can see. You can use anything. Yeah.
Yeah, so can you demonstrate
Do you
making
want
one
me?
of those? Yeah, I
Okay.
want a demonstration of
Yes.
one of those posters.
Yes. I will delete this. Yeah. This is the button. You can delete entire page. There is a button called Add Page. You can add page. Now this slide same I will show you the how I made. Entirely I took this blank page, then I went to the element section, then I went to the shape section, shapes. I chose this shape. Here is the button where you can hold it and move it in any direction you want. Choose the size you want. Yeah, one more thing I forgot to show. This is the working area. It's 37% it's showing. You can increase it to 300%. If I increase this to 50%, working area will be bigger and you will be able to work more finely. If I choose this 100%, working area will be more bigger. So it's all up to us how much big we want. So now if I choose this 50%, I can work on this much big area. So I can make more fine designs. Here now I will make it small. I'm going to use 25. 25 is too small. Wait. Yeah. I will work on this 50%. You can see this working area, right? Can you see?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Now I can change these colors. You can see these three colors. These are original present colors. This color is showing this. So I chose blue, yellow, and maroon. So this color, I chose loyal blue. Can you see the color change? Then I'm changing this color to yellow. And this, first you'll have to select whichever color box you want to change. You have to select this box and then you go to color change. So this is the way I changed my color. Now what I did for, I went to the frames. I chose circle. There are different kind of circle. You can see here, this oval. Then there are letters, numbers. These are the mirror, different kind of shapes you can select. I will show you which I selected.
Can we save the colors, these three colors? Like I'm
Yes,
not able to save it somehow.
you go on the first page, home page.
Yes,
There is a brand kit. You can
yes,
see the brand kit. You click
yes.
on the brand kit. There are three colors down. I will show you once I finish this.
Okay, okay, brand color. All
I'll
right.
go back to that again.
Okay, yeah,
And
got it. I got it. I got it.
yeah,
I actually I missed a few minutes of this initiation ones, so that's why.
okay. Then first I went to the shapes because I want to give first shape. So
Yes.
there, this shape I took, I selected one of them. I kept it here. I make it small. Then again, I change the color of the shape. You can see here are three again. I can change color, loyal blue, maroon, and yellow. So you can choose according to whichever way you want. Now, if I want, instead of this, I'll choose blue, here yellow, and here maroon. Whatever way you want, you can choose. Then again, I'll go back, I'll go to element. Then I'll choose this frames, the circle. Choose here, reduce in the size, keep it inside. And now I will make big as much as I want because I want to see other people to see this blue color. I'll keep it here. I'll twist it a little bit, keep it here. Now I will add one photo. Now I'll go back to upload and I will add one photo. I'll make it small to adjust the size and then I'll keep it here. So this is how made. You can see this. Then again, I will not be writing again. I can just Control C, copy, and I can make it here, Control V, paste. Again, I'll go to this division. So every time I don't have to write it again and again. I can just select and paste. But it will only take Control C and Control V. It cannot say copy, right click and copy and paste. It doesn't work here in Canva. So like this, then you can write the name and whatever text you want to write here, you can write. Then if I want to duplicate this page, there is a button here. So I can select the same page. I'll duplicate this, it will come down. Now you can see this page and this page is same. So what next I have to do? I don't have to change an entire thing. I'll just select this, detach the image, delete it. I select another image and reduce to the size and add it here. That's it. And few text, name and everything, little bit changes. your another poster is ready. Did you get it, Ravi? Or do you want me to do entire thing, write up also?
No, I get it.
So you can write up, and then you play with the logo. You wherever you want to keep this logo like this, you select it. Wherever you use this, you can group this like this also. So whenever you want to move it, this text, you can move it easily, entire thing. If you want to make small, you can make entire thing small, or you make entire thing big. So every time I will just save my time. Every time, each and every element, I don't have to change. It will change according to that size and whatever I want. This is also here, I have grouped it. If I ungroup it, I'll show you. This is the first only circle I have added. There is one more circle behind that. It's available in this. Then I just place it like this, so it becomes a design. Then I have written right up here. You can play with any. You can make same thing with the square, rectangle, anything you can make it. And these things are just I keep on Control C, Control V. You got it? Any questions?
No.
Any
Not
doubt?
from my side. Nothing.
This is the basic poster making. There are many elements you can play with in Canva. If you go to the home page, you can see that there are so many things you can make it out of. There are presentation, how to make it presentation, how to make posters. You can make animated videos. You can make logos. See down here, it's a lot. Then you can make YouTube thumbnails, Instagram stories, then Facebook post, A4 documents, videos you can make, YouTube channel art, Facebook covers, stories, birthday cards, resumes, animated social media flyers, professional resumes, lot many LinkedIn banners, and there is, you can go and have a look at it. So if you want more and more, this is the basic of everything. If you want to learn more and more, we can have another session and we can go ahead with. For advanced, there are many other things for save, how to save. If I go to the document, I'll show you one here. If I go to this document, if I want to share this poster with somebody else, suppose if I want to share this with Shubda, what I will do, I will click on the share button. Then I will type here with whom I want to share, like Shubda, her email ID, and then I can share, like edit, copy, either she can see or edit. If I share with her, she can edit also. If I editable link, if I share with her. So you can share like this. Then here is a button. You can say you download on your system. You can download here. You can directly download on here. Facebook, you can from here directly, you can download on the Facebook, email, Google Drive, Dropbox, any social media. So it's all given here. Whatever you want to choose, you can do it. So it's all about the basics of poster. If you have any question, let me know. You can type me in a chat box. I'm stopping this screen share. Now if you have any question, you can ask me, or else we can finish this session. Any more thing, anything you want to know?
I would like you to share the URL for brand manual.
Yeah, I will share it, or I'll send it on WhatsApp also. It's on TI. I'll show you how to go there. This is you can type toastmaster.org. It will take you to this here. Then you go to about. Yeah, on the Leadership Central, you can see a brand portal. You click on the brand portal. There is a brand manual here. You click on the brand manual. It will appear here. You download the brand manual. It will be here. So you can find everything.
Thank you.
Anything else you want to know? There are a lot many things, but not right now. We are already, yeah, 8:56.
I think for videos, we can have more sessions.
Yes, sure, we can have more sessions. I hope you all enjoyed the session.
Yes,
Yes, Vrinda.
absolutely. It was quite insightful, I'll say.
Thank you. You can read the brand manual and you can get more things to know. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for listening me patiently.
Thank you so much. You spent